in the blood, spinning wheels, whispering flood. They who rule reside in towers of brass, watching our toil through unbreakable glass. Every breath is bought, every second sold. Their laws whip deep in our soul. Crank the gears and light the flame. Name by name we stake our claim. Down in the noise, the silence is broke. 100 hearts for one battle smoke. First we take the factory, then we take the city. Iron in our bones and rust in our pity. Marching through the smoke with fire in our veins. The kings build towers, but we forge chains. First we take the factory, then we take the city. They speak through horns, through clocks and rules. Their faces hidden, cold as their tools. Orders descend like ash from the sky, and we learn to bow, but never asked why. We punch the hours and break only for sleep. Beneath their boots, the silence runs deep, but the fires keep secrets that the kings missed. The embers dream rebellion in every fist. No more masters, no more dread. We rise with the ghosts of the workhouse dead. Through copper wires and burning coal, we're wiring the world they stole. First we take the factory, then we take the city. Iron in our bones and rust in our pity. Marching through the smoke with fire in our veins. The kings build towers, but we forge chains. First we take the factory, then we take the city. Hey, branded law into our skin, spied from halls never allowed in, but whisper by whisper, bolt by bolt, we turn the pressure into screaming revolt. First we take the factory, then we take the city. The anvil sing our gritty litany. Steam will rise where the tyrants fall. From soot and flame, we'll take it all. First we take the factory, then we take the city.